Okay. What do we have here then? Hello boys. Looks like we've got a new recruit, lads. Oh, it's a heavy one. It's a big one. Coming through. How's that looking? That's it. Right as rain. Okay, broskis. I have finally been able to pick these up. The Maniére freeze while you were sleeping. Yeah, we spoke about it on a live stream, I think last week it was, and I'm excited. Let me pull up my chair. There we go. This was actually meant to be delivered on Saturday. Now, unfortunately, like the donut I am, I put my mother-in-law's address in, forgetting she was on holiday. So I had to re-deliver this to a shop. Now FedEx, don't know why, they chose to try and deliver this on a bank holiday weekend at 8 o'clock in the morning on a Saturday. So the shop wasn't open. Didn't hear anything about tracking until today, which is a Tuesday, which is technically day of release over here in the UK. I won these on the raffle on the Maniére website. Buzzing, absolutely buzzing. Didn't expect it, lost out on the foot patrol, lost out on the end raffles. So yeah, no import fees, but there was a bit of a hefty delivery fee. So I paid around, let me check it actually, because I don't want to give you guys false information. Right, so I paid all in around about £230, which isn't bad. £230. Now these do retail for, I believe, £210 over here in the UK. Now I've just checked the resale prices on StockX and they're actually not too bad. UK 9, which is what I am, is around 267. So after fees, it would be around 280. Anyway, you didn't come here for that. You came here for me to unbox this bad boy. So yeah, let's crack on, shall we? Oh, I gotta be careful opening this. Lovely jelly. Okay. Oh man, couple nicks on the box here and there. Okay, left and right. Sick. So we've got the A for Maniére. I believe that's a 10. Oh, I actually did not plan this. Look at my jumper and look at this. I didn't plan this, but that is sick. Even that, hope the camera can slightly pick it up. A printed all over. Obviously, the full review will go into more depth about packaging, the box, the pack, and everything else. I just wanted to show you my excitement with the shoe, you know? Oh, this is amazing. Now I haven't actually looked at any review or any like unboxing or preview. So this is all new to me. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. They have done this sneaker justice. These are crazy. Crazy. Patsy Cline levels, broskies. If you don't know, yeah, you're missing out because she's a legend. But that Nike Air at the back, sensational scenes, Jeff. Loving the Nike Air tag with the little tag as well. Kind of sick if you ask me. Like reflective slash foilish, if that's a word. And we get laces. Sick. We get a spare set of cream laces. Might go in, might not. Let's see, let's see. That is nice. All right, let me quickly just double check QC. Couple glue bits here and there, but nothing that stands out to me. From what I expect from Maniére anyway, you know, they always come clean with the QC. Now the dust bag or cloth, it looks like. That, I don't know why. I don't know why. Just sound a bit more manlier there. It's just a nice touch. It's a bit of a shame there's no Maniére branding. Just to finish off the box, you've got Jordan, you got Nike, you got Converse, these little flaps that hold the box together. Nothing on the other side. It's such a cool box. Such a cool box. Jordan logo here. So it's women's Air Jordan 3 Retro OG SP, black, flat pewter. Like I said, full review will be coming in a couple days. I know, the Samba review, it's in the works, you know, it's in the works. Just a busy week. It was bank holiday, so we had to do a couple things around the house. You know how it goes, gardening, and all the exciting things you look forward to once you hit 30. I've got to put these straight away top 10. This could change, it could change. Don't get me wrong, it really could change, but there's nothing that's really excited me from a Jordan standpoint anyway, as much as these and the bread reimagined, the 4s. Not as much buzz around this collaboration compared to the previous one, the white pair, but obviously different time in the culture, different time economically as well. You know, a lot of people aren't really trying to spend 200 plus pounds on a pair of sneakers nowadays. These are super nice, like premium vibes all the way around. Obviously the little touches with the collaboration tags and branding and everything else. Now, for me, this was chosen over the black cement freeze. I don't know, there was just something about this that called me more compared to the black cement freeze. Don't get me wrong, I might get both anyway. You know how it goes, broskies, you just know how it goes. But in terms of this pair, the quilted sock liner, the nubuck / suede hits, everything about this shoe just screams premium. If you guys tuned into the live stream, you would know the whole pack. We went through it all. Looks sick. The Jordan 4, I'm kind of on the fence about because I do have the original. Now, if we look at the laces here, very nice, goes with the midsole. Beautiful. Wow, okay. On the laces, actually, I hope the camera will pick this up. It says work harder on one set of laces. That's so cool. Does it say anything on the black pair? Yeah, it does. Okay, that's kind of sick. And it pops off a bit more on the black just because obviously it's a white font. So I'm definitely swapping out the laces 100%. Let me know, broskies, if you would swap these out or would you keep them just plain black? Let me just quickly try these on because I want to give you a little like sneak peek in terms of sizing and just let you know whilst you guys are here. Very nice. Let me just show you, broskies. Right, this is what we're looking like on foot. Obviously, you won't be wearing a tag. And just look at that tongue. Look at that tongue. Oh, baby, baby. Yeah, I really like these, honestly. Something about them. Nike Air, the back, and that sort of aged look to the midsole, you know? It really does work. My toe sort of comes here. Not bad at all. My toe comes here, so true to size. Right, I think that's pretty much it in terms of the unboxing. True to size, quilted leather. Huh? Hold the phone. We got 2 spare laces. Okay, luckily I checked. But this is sort of complementing sort of suede. It's like a chocolate brown or the violet ore, you know, that they did go with on the previous Jordan 4. Nice, nice. They sort of blend nicely together. You could even mix and match. You know, everything about this shoe screams premium. QC, I'd say about an 8 out of 10. Pretty good, very well done. Maniére and Jordan. One that a lot of us have been waiting for, and one that's gonna stay in the collection, hopefully for many years to come. But I'm really liking this. Like, look at that quilted sock liner. Just have a butcher's hook at that. Amazing. Even those vibes in the tongue. Stuff like this. You know, it's stuff like this on a collaboration sneaker that gets the juices flowing, gets us sneakerheads excited about a shoe again because it's been a while, you know? And I think, especially when it comes to Jordan brand, I think no one has been as consistent, as exciting as Maniére with Jordan. Obviously, we've had sort of drips and drabs of, I don't know, like J Balvin and all the rest of them, but Maniére, consistently exciting sneakers. Anyways, broskies, thank you for watching. Don't forget, review will be out in a couple of days. The Sambas, don't ask. They'll come out when they come out. And also comment down below, did you cop a pair? Did you get them on release? Did you win a raffle? Are you paying resale? Because to be fair, it's not that bad. I know it's more than anyone wants to pay, but in terms of the white pair, nowhere near, nowhere near. So it's a good time, it's a good time. Leave it all down below, broskies. And yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.